Hello my dear crafter. Today I'm showing you two new die sets by Scrap Diva Designs. That's the June collection. It has way more than this, but I will show you what I've made with these two. These are the ones that I asked for. At the end of the video, I'll show you the rest of the release with pictures so you see what they make, okay? So let's start with this one. And also before I forget, I want to show you two die sets that I asked Erica, the Scrap Diva Designs owner, to send me from the May collection. You might have seen it, but guys, I just had to have it, so I'll show you after I show you these two, okay? So the first one makes a beautiful, look at this. The first one is this one called, this one is the, oh my gosh, let me see here. I got the name, just a second. Takeout dinner box. Yes, so it creates a box that is very big. Look at this, guys. It's beautiful. It's really, really big. Let me open so you see what it looks like inside. Look how much stuff you can put in here. And if you're very creative, and I know you are, you can make something like this. This is what I made with it for my movie night. My popcorn container. So I'm going to have this with the names of my friends who come for dinner night. So I actually, when I saw this, that's what I thought about. So, oh, that would be perfect for my popcorn. Look at this individual popcorn container. So that's the box. Here's another one, just to give you more ideas. Here's another one that I made. I love these, guys. Let me get a ruler and show you the size, okay? So the wide part here is 4 1/4. This is 5 1/4 high, not counting with the handles. If you count with the handle, it's 7 1/2, okay? And the sizes are the same measurement. So it's basically a square here. But guys, a great gift box. But not only that, if you're doing markets, summer markets are coming up. We have some spring markets too. You can actually sell this as a box in itself. You know, guys, that I sell a lot of containers. I love these boxes, and Scrap Diva really has some great die sets for that. So that's one of the die sets in this collection. The second one is a shadow box. This one is called A2 shadow box. Great for your cards. You can use for cards, you can use for lids, or you can just use it as a decoration piece. Create all kinds of beautiful shadow boxes, and I used this little tiny beautiful dolls that I have that my mom makes for me, and I just used it to decorate and to as a centerpiece, like the detail inside the box. But you can create here a card. It can be a lid for a box. It can be just a shadow box. If you want to send someone a picture, you can put the picture inside. You can create sceneries here. Christmas scenery would be beautiful. Anything you want, really. Use this in black and make a Halloween box. Just a wonderful shadow box. Very simple die set. And it comes with these layering pieces here, some dies, some frames, layering frames, and you can decorate that with this too. So that's what I made. This one has acetate, this one doesn't. So whatever you want to make, you can make it to stand on a table like this. You just put a piece of paper here like this, and it will hold in place, or you can actually add something here to hold a piece of ribbon so you can put it on the wall. So just a shadow box, but one of those die sets that are worth having because you can do so much with this. So these are the two from the June collection. I want to show you now the two die sets that I asked them to send me because I was traveling and I wasn't here when these two were released, so I couldn't do videos. but I just had to have it. I will have pictures of what it makes, just so you see why I fell in love with it. I'll leave my favorite one. I'm sure this is going to be one of my favorite dies of all times. This one makes a little house. It's called House Gift Box, another great gift box by Scrap Diva. And let me show you now some images of what it makes. Just an amazing piece. You can use this for Christmas and decorate it as a gift box. You can give it as a gift in itself, not just a gift box. But look at how many beautiful things you can make with this. Christmas, just decorate it for Christmas. In April, you can do it. Summer scenery. Halloween, even Halloween, decorated for Halloween. So one of those very versatile die sets. So that's one. And guys, this one, when I saw this, I went like, oh my gosh, I won't be there when it's released, but I want it. 3D desk vanity. You might have seen it around. Buy it, because I'm coming up with a tutorial to give you so many ideas on how to use this. Again, I'll have images here, but again, it's one of these die sets that what you make is not a gift box, it's the gift itself. I mean, just look at how gorgeous this vanity desk is. I'm going to make one for my bestie for sure. You can use the frame. It comes with this beautiful frame. It's actually the frame that I used in this one. And you can put pictures, make it for your kids, and put pictures of you with your kids with this, using this frame as a picture frame, and decorate the vanity desk like that. So it makes it very, very special, unique, and personalized. So I had to have this one. Can't wait to make it. This will be a video coming up, so if you want to get it, grab it. Use my code. Always use my code to get 10% off. It's Paula. I use it as a checkout code at the end. And now that I showed you just two of June, these two are from May, I want to show you now the rest of the collection for June. So here they come. I'm just going to play some songs and show you with the names and pictures of the rest of the release, okay? Because I want to make sure that you see it all. If you're interested, I'll have the link below, and use my coupon code, okay? Well, that is that. Let's listen to some music and see the rest of the collection.